Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset For You page on TikTok. If you want to reset your For You page on TikTok, here's how you can get it done. Open your TikTok app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon. From there, then you tap on this three dot icon at the right top corner. You tap on it, then you tap on settings and privacy. Then from there you tap on this option which is content and privacy. Tap on this, and from here you can decide to reset or refresh your For You page. And the For You page actually means a page where you can automatically refresh your content feed on TikTok. So once you click on this, it automatically refresh all the content videos, all the video content that you have on the TikTok news feed, and that's it. Now you can see, then you want to refresh, then start, just tap on continue. Then from there you can refresh your TikTok content feed, and that's it.